Unlock your financial potential. The power of believing in change. Hi, I'm Dareshore, and I want to talk to you about something that could change your life. Not tomorrow, not someday, but starting right now. It's the belief that no matter where you are financially, you have the power to change your situation. I know what it's like to feel stuck, overwhelmed, and even hopeless about money. I've worked with thousands of people who thought their credit, debt, or financial struggles defined their future. But let me tell you something I've learned from helping so many people transform their lives. Your current situation does not determine your destination. It starts with a decision. Every success story I've been a part of started with one simple decision: the decision to act. Not to hope, not to wish, but to take that first step towards something better. Maybe you're dealing with bad credit, collections, or financial stress that feels impossible to manage. Maybe you've been told that you'll never qualify for a loan, buy a home, or build your dream business. Here's the truth: you don't have to stay where you are. What's holding you back? Sometimes the biggest obstacle is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. But let me ask you this: what's scarier, facing your financial challenges or staying in the same place, year after year, watching opportunities slip through your fingers? Change is hard, but staying stuck is harder. You have more power than you think. Let me share something personal. Before I started Dareshore, I was a debt collector. I saw people at their lowest points feeling powerless and defeated. But what I also saw were the people who stood up, learned the system, and fought back. Now, I use everything I learned in that industry to help people like you. Because here's the thing: you are not powerless. You can fix your credit. You can settle your debts. You can open doors to opportunities you thought were closed forever. Take the first step. Maybe you're thinking, I don't know where to start. That's okay. Nobody starts with all the answers, but they start. Here's what I want you to know. You don't have to do this alone. I'm here to guide you, step by step. You don't need to have everything figured out, just the willingness to try. Every small step adds up to big change. Imagine your future. What would your life look like with good credit, no debt holding you back, and the financial freedom to pursue your dreams? Starting that business you've always wanted, buying your first home, providing security and stability for your family. It's not a fantasy, it's within your reach. I've seen it happen time and time again. Let's build your future together. I've helped thousands of people transform their financial lives, and I want you to be next. At Dareshore, we don't just fix credit or settle debts, we help people rewrite their financial story. Visit Dareshore.com or email me at support@dareshore.com to take the first step. This is your moment. This is your time. Let's make it happen. Together. You've got this, and I've got your back.